Have you ever wondered who controls the internet? A simple question, but the answer is more complex than you might imagine. The internet, this vast network of networks that has become such an integral part of our lives, isn't controlled by any one entity. Instead, it's managed by a system known as internet governance. This system doesn't belong to a single country or corporation, it's a collective responsibility, involving a multitude of stakeholders from all over the world. The system is designed to ensure the internet's core resources are managed effectively, and that its technical and operational functioning runs smoothly. From the domain names we use to access websites, to the protocols that direct our data across the globe, internet governance plays a pivotal role in how the internet operates. It's the unseen force that keeps the digital world spinning. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is internet governance? Internet governance, in simple terms, is how the internet is managed and operated. Now let's delve a bit deeper into this concept. At its core, internet governance is underpinned by a multi-stakeholder model. This model is not just a fancy term. It's a reflection of the fact that the internet is a vast, complex ecosystem that can't be effectively managed by a single entity. Instead, it requires the involvement of a diverse range of stakeholders, each bringing their unique perspective and expertise to the table. These stakeholders include governments, who bring their legislative powers and public policy expertise. Then we have the private sector, which provides the majority of internet infrastructure and services. Civil society offers a voice for the users, advocating for rights and freedoms. Academia brings research and innovation, while technical communities contribute their knowledge of the inner workings of internet technology. Together, these stakeholders form the backbone of internet governance, ensuring that the internet remains open, accessible, and beneficial for all. Now you might be wondering, who coordinates all these stakeholders? There are several organizations involved, each playing a crucial role. Let's touch on a few of them. First up is ICANN, short for the Internet Corporation for assigned names and numbers. They're the ones who manage and coordinate the internet's unique identifiers like domain names and IP addresses. Then we have the IETF, or the Internet Engineering Task Force. They're responsible for developing and promoting voluntary internet standards, which are crucial for ensuring the internet works smoothly and consistently across the globe. Last, but certainly not least, is the W3C, the World Wide Web Consortium. They're the main international standards organization for the World Wide Web, focusing on ensuring its long-term growth. So, in essence, internet governance is a collective effort, not the dominion of a single entity. It's a fascinating world of collaboration, negotiation, and constant evolution, all driven by the shared goal of maintaining the internet as a global resource for everyone. You may think, why does this matter to me? Let's unravel this together. Internet governance touches every aspect of our online lives. It's the silent force that shapes the way we use the internet every day. Consider net neutrality, the principle that all internet traffic should be treated equally. Without effective internet governance, service providers could create a tiered internet, favoring certain websites or services over others. This could affect how we browse the web, stream our favorite shows, or even access important information. Then there's privacy. Internet governance plays a vital role in defining how our data is used and protected. It's the reason you have a privacy policy to agree to when you sign up for a new app or service. And let's not forget about cybersecurity. Internet governance helps establish standards and practices that protect us from threats like malware and identity theft. Remember, the internet is a shared space and its governance affects us all. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned about internet governance. It's a term that describes the procedures and processes that coordinate and shape the cyberspace. It's not governed by one entity, but rather a multi-stakeholder model. This model includes everyone from government bodies, private sector firms, non-government organizations, and even individual internet users like you and me. These stakeholders work together to make decisions about the internet's operation and development, ensuring it remains an open and accessible platform for all. The impact of this governance is significant, affecting everything from data privacy and security, to access to information and freedom of expression online. So, as we've seen, internet governance is a complex but essential aspect of our digital world. It's the invisible hand that guides the internet, maintaining the balance between freedom and control, safety and innovation. The next time you browse the web, remember that a complex system of governance is working behind the scenes to make it all possible.